Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Everyone, and this is a learning.
Ki Nongshna Phlim Hakjilla Lani ka Meghalaya Film Makers Association kala Leit Sasha BPS College ban ye Kynduh ki Samla Pule jongkani ka college ban khot ban wer yaki ban wan yeshem mantalang haka International Film Festival ka ban long hanong ba shilong nadu ka khasaw tarik hadu ka khat pratarik ulber arajar fulai.
I not stop teaching of this college, so and all the students is official invitation to you sir to our program tomorrow 5 p.m. sharp. So request you to join with us.
Indeed, a very proud moment for Meghalaya. A very proud moment for Meghalaya and to all of us.
As you know, my name Golden Star Suchian. So, I was a village boy. So we have 10 brothers, a single, only brothers, no sister. Like we said, only soldier. Maybe you can call all the cowboy. So my mom, only single parent. So I was ice cream boy, mean not a cute boy. They used to call ice cream boy and cute boy. I was ice cream seller boy. So after the school hour, so I went sell for the ice cream. Like this school mean they will hour up to 3 p.m. My school only meant to 11 a.m. only. So even though we are poor, why? Because my father, he don't stay with us. So when I was, for the exam, JNB exam, so I passed out. So I was the ex-student from JNB. इसलिए तो हिंदी में थोड़ा मैं बात कर सकता है क्योंकि मैं नवोदयन का स्टूडेंट है. So for about my talent, I went for audition for the first time. I saw in the local channel, Kabel Network channel. So I went for audition. So they chose me because I always believed I don't want my relative to put me somewhere. I always believe I work hard. Because in film industry also, I don't like the person who are not deserved to be. We should choose for the deserved one, for the talent one. Right, Sanjay? Yeah. Like you, very controversy in the Bollywood also. They said the nepotism, right? So we don't like nepotism. So I like to start in my own. So my father is a politician. He said me, I will put you to the government job. I'm sorry. If I don't pass the exam, don't put me in the government job because I don't like to be that. I want to give example to the others, so we have to stand in our own field. When I was in the Kynduh Government College, so I was the student leader in this General Secretary Student Union. So I contested the election, yeah, the father blood. So I won the election. When I was in the student union, so my hair started loose. I was very thin about my hair. Because I want to be an actor. So I went for treatment. Maybe around lakh and lakh. At that time, I don't accept who am I. When I start to accept who am I with the bald head, so from that time I feel handsome. Be who you are. Whether you are ugly or handsome in the world, but in your mom you are always beautiful and handsome. Men, if we see in this generation also, we have more problem about government job. What I want to say that it's not only government job, it's a job. Job satisfaction is very important in our life, whether you get a small salary or a big salary. When you sleep at night, you can sleep peacefully. That is the main important. We live short in this world. Make yourself who you are. Show the world which capacity you are. Like I said, I am nothing. I went in the village school. So that's why my English also is not very good. I can speak the accent English Ralian because I'm from Ralian. It's a very one show. When I entered on stage, oh wow, I saw all of them with the suit and boot people, with the high five people. So, yeah. I will die here because they will judge my English. Then I am an actor, I can change my mind suddenly. So, hello, good evening to you all. Don't expect my English to be good because I'm not from Shalom boy, I'm from village boy. And the first time for the education also, the non-education inspired me. It inspired me due to the China. If you remember, the government sponsor for morning school, they gave China. Do you remember? I went for school for China, not for education. The first inspired for me to get education in China. So that's why now I am here. Then actress, Debasis Mukherjee actor, and Onion is the national award winning is a director. Amar Kochek is a director, and in the closing ceremony also we will get this Anjali Patel, actress, Satyajit Dubey, actor, Barkha Biz, actor, Rakhav and Kashyap, they also been some part in the film industry. So we came here from the Meghalaya, first Meghalaya International Films Festival. Maybe Sanjay and me wouldn't have much word to say about you, and you should come by yourself and enjoy from 14th to 18th the first Meghalaya International Film Festival. Please know the outside world also. Maybe I request the principal sir, I think he will give you maybe holiday or the so you can attend this film festival. As we know, if we study, we can get our degree, but the other side also, we should explore our talent. So once again, sir, I request you, so let them come to the International Film Festival so we can meet together, so you can enjoy about interaction, workshop also with the experienced actor and directors from the Bollywood, and even the film they will screen from the Turkey, Philippines, Vietnam, because this is the international film festival. And some Kasi movie also, maybe Lorni and Kachiti. And Kachiti not yet released, so Sanjay is there and me also is there. So you as a great opportunity for you. The film not yet released in the cinema, but you will have the chance to watch that movie in the festival. You are very lucky because we invite you for the film not yet released and you have a chance to watch it. And once again, thank you to you all and thank you sir and Jai Hind.
A few words about the International Film Festival that's happening. It is the very first time that's happening in Meghalaya. And it's as you can see, it's an international, not just national. So we have a couple of big, massive countries films flowing in, and a couple of around 70 films that's on screen here with 5 big screens. I think four to 5 screens at the same venue. The moment I wanted to take this opportunity here is to especially invite and inspire the youth. Because we being the youth, we are the next generation that's going to step ahead to make something better for ourselves and our state and our country as well. So I request you, my entire brothers and sisters, do join to the International Film Festival that's starting from tomorrow. And I acknowledge and I do welcome my entire faculty to come on the opening ceremony that's at 5 p.m. sharp. So I would like to request you kindly come ahead an hour so that we can make a special arrangement for the sittings for the entire faculty. Because as I stated to you, we have tons of people coming in, and I would like to have many proper arrangement for everybody. With my students, I request you to kindly arrive sooner because there will be a registration portal for the entire students where you can carry your ID, and there is I think a sum of 100 rupees that will be carrying registration portal for all the 5 days festival, including your foods and everything. You would have a session of the workshop where you'll get and brief about what's filmmaking, what is the ideas of filmmaking. You'll get lots and lots of interactions between national, regional and international actors, directors and producers and everybody related to films. It's not only about films, but it's about creating a new mind, creating or inspiring the new minds to bring a new face, new people, new opportunity for the youth. So I really address you people to kindly take this opportunity and do come to the festival, because it's we the youth. If we won't stand together, it's nothing gonna happen, right? We the youth, we are the next changes, the next phase of tomorrow. So we need to be there and we need to have the sessions going on. And we have a couple of colleges we have already visited. This is one of the second colleges, and for the first time we have the teaser launches. So this is the first time where we are holding the teaser launch in Shillong. We already had done in Mumbai, but this is the first time we are holding it. So I really feel really proud to have this session in my college, where I am a part of this college. So really.